almost shared a dream. We almost made it as a team. How nice it would have been. We almost touched the stars, and there stood heaven almost ours. We were just outsiders looking in. We had the chance to fall, but fate stepped in to end it all before it could begin. And if it's true, you're really going, there's nothing but goodbye to say. The saddest part of all